players for court number 3, Lana and Arnel of P-Gamers versus Alex and Annalisa of SBL. Players for court number 3, Lala and Arnel of P-Gamers versus Alex and Annalisa of SBL. Players for court number 5, Ardel and Sharon versus Aaron and Jopay. Players for court number 5, Aaron and Jopay versus Ardel and Sharon. Players for court number 2, Nino Amores and Bernice Paez versus Paul Shepard Amor and Cherry Guerrero. Non-players court number 2, please vacate the court.
Nabanggit ng magandang kulay.
Glow in the dark, glow in the dark. Kasi naligo pa.
Del. Magandang kulay.
Si Aldrin ko papagigil.
Sorry, wala talaga.
Non-players on court number 7, bawal pong paluan yan kasi baka makastorbo po kayo dun sa both courts on the side. Sorry po. Bawal po, bawal. Salamat.
Okay. 2 minutes na lang po para kay Amores and Bernice Paez and Paul and Cherry of SPR. Court number 8, Nat and Joy versus Terrence and Joy of PSG. Nat and Joy will play versus Terrence and Joy PSG.
Ayaw mo naman.
Day!
Players for court number 2,
Day!
Almario and Michelle Aguilar of PSG versus Frederick Ricaporte and Ivy Montejo of PBB-LOJ.
Ay!
Players for court number 2, Adrian and Michelle
Day!
versus
Day!
Frederick
Straight! Straight! Straight lang at tagak!
Taas.
Day! Straight lang tagak, Day!
Kaya ka ba, bata?
Oh, hindi na. Ay, tama kayo.
Break! Isa lang. Stop.
Players for court number 3, Eric Pabustan and Apple Bernadas of PSS versus Paul Cabrebe and Tul Sarmiento of SBA.
Yun!
Players for court number 3, Eric and Apple versus Paul and Tul. Non-players, please vacate the court.
Dalawa yung lalaki ako din na.
Court number 6, non-players, please vacate the court. Court number 3, non-players, please vacate the court.
Kaya pala tayo dyan.
Aquedet and John R.B. versus
Oy!
Irvin and Diana, court number 6. Aquedet and John R.B. of PSM versus Irvin and Diana.
Ang video ba kay nagkabuang yung video hindi na siya ano
Hilo-hilo na.
hilo-hilo na.
Ang manonood.
Oh.
Out! Rete, out!
Kuha kayo sa video. Oh.
Outside again! Isa pa!
Chicken Joy?
Dalawa pa lang outside. Dalawa pa.
Ayan, outside niya. Hindi naman kami kasali Sinusuportahan naman namin kayo Go, Baldog!
Day, padagan na ang lucky, Day. Ang ayaw kaayo.
Pagod ka na rin.
Ayaw ra kaayo pang usog. Ang kanang babae.
Huwag mo pakit ng pagod ka.
Ayaw kayo pang usog.
Kaya yan. Tama yung ginagawa nyo. Meron pa lang, hello. Ayan niya. Ayan niya. Hello. Hello, kamusta po sa mga kapamilya ko?
Pakigreet. Yung tatay mo ayaw may greet.
Yung totoo nagre-record ba yan?
Nagre-record na yan. Mamahali na yung ano niyan.
Players
card.
for court number
Ah, nakapalit ka na.
Hmm.
Ay!
Hoy! Bangon, bangon. 1, 2.
Si score, friend.
Break!
Players for court number 4, Robert
Murag finals.
Players for court number 4, Robert and Rodin versus Alvin and Denny.
Galing mo. Tire. Alam na alam mo ko pa.
Ato ra giday. Set ha, set.
Go.
Ay! Day!
Good serve na lang, Day.
Day! Short! Para makapurma si Kuya Francis.
Smasher lang.
Short serve lang.
Players for court number 7,